Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to restore your computer back to an earlier time. So very simple, just click on the search icon and type create a restore point. So click on create a restore point. Now guys, here you will see local disk system protection is off, so configure and turn on system protection. Then click on apply, then OK. Now click on create. Type a description to help you identify the restore point. The current date and time are added automatically. So I want to make it RP restore point 1. Then click on create. Now wait for a while till this process will complete. So you will see the restore point was created successfully. So once you want to restore, so click on system restore, then click on next. And here guys, you will see this time. You can select this one and click on scan for affected programs. So you can analysis what changes here, then click on close, and you can select your restored point, then click on next. And guys, it will take couple of hours. So once you're ready to restart many times your PC, click on next. So now just you have to select and click on next and wait to complete this old restoring process. So this is the way guys you can create and you can restore your computer back to an earlier time in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.